Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through let us go through some types of crashes. So basically, what are the common types of crashes which we see in our daily life? So those things we'll be discussing in this lecture, guys. Okay. So the first type of a crash is a nothing but turn left turn head on collision. Okay. So you are taking some left turn. Okay, and there is a one more vehicle which is coming, you did not see it. Okay, so in that situation you both are hit each other, so that is a nothing but a left turn head on collision. So head on is a nothing but you are hitting the vehicle front to front. Okay, so basically assume that here is the driver and here is the driver. So in this situation those both drivers are near to each other, so that is nothing but head on. Okay, so in the same you can say in this way, like head on. Okay, yes. So here the situation is nothing but a left turn head on, right? So we will be having free left, right? Yes. So in that situation, while free left is taking, so some vehicle came in the opposite direction, so in this way it came, they both hit. So that situation is nothing but a left turn head on collision. Okay, so what are the probable causes for it? Okay, so how did this happen? Okay, so that thing will be also discussing, guys. So it could be large volume of left turn. So basically there are multiple vehicles which are in queue for this left turn. So in that situation it could happen. Similarly restricted side, so basically if any one of them did not saw each other, right? So in that situation it might be happening. Okay, in some situation it is nothing but the traffic light, so yellow light is given for very less time. Okay, similarly absence of a special left turning phase, so basically free left is not written properly or anything. Okay, or it might be due to speed. Okay, yes. So this is the basic normal one, guys. So guys, whenever you are writing this is subject, please try to draw as many diagrams as you can, guys. So just to draw a junction, I'll be drawing it in a simple way. So assume that this is a car and this is the front and this is a car which is the front. So the both collided. In that way you can just draw. Okay, just to draw them a bit big so that will be clear. Okay, yes. Similarly, the second type is nothing but a right angle collision at signalized intersection. Okay, so basically in this intersection there is a signal, guys. Okay, so even then the accident has occurred, so the angle between them is nothing but a right angle, so it is 90 degrees. So one guy is going like this and one guy is going like this, so they both hit each other, right? So they both are going but they hit each other, so that is nothing but right angle, but it is a signalized center. Okay, yes. So it might be due to the sight distance. Okay, so they did not see each other. Similarly the speed, poor visibility of the signal, so basically one or the other did not see the signal properly. Okay, and the timing of the signal is not proper. So assume that there is the timer is in this way. Just I'm saying as an example, guys. So it will give red for someone and it will give green for the other at the exact moment. So in that situation, a guy coming from here and there's no yellow light, assume in that way, guys. Okay, so a guy coming from here, he doesn't know, right? So if there's no yellow light, he cannot have any idea, and there's no timer also. He'll be coming at his speed, and he suddenly, after he crossed, he noticed that it's already red, but this guy is already raising up to start, and once he's in that green, he started and they both will hit. So in that situation, okay. Okay, so similarly with the sight. Okay, similarly with the signal problem, signal timing, road timing, roadway lighting. So okay, sometimes it could be due to the lighting also, lightning. So basically the street lights and all those things. Okay, basically at night times we will not be having any kind of streets, any kind of signals, right? So anywhere you might, most of the situations you'll be getting only yellow lights, right? Yes. So in that situation, if there is no clear vision, so that this could be an issue, right? Yes. Okay, yes. So let us go through the next type. Next type is nothing but a right angle collision at unsignalized. So basically here there is no signal at that junction. Okay, so here the causes are almost the same, guys, in each and every situation. Okay, size a restricted site, so basically the site is not clear. Okay, similarly the intersection volume is more, so basically there is a huge jam, you can say. So basically there are multiple vehicles traveling in that particular route. Okay, similarly the speed issue. Okay, okay, similarly the roadway lighting, so basically there are no street lights or any kind of proper lighting to observe the other vehicle. Okay, similarly there are some warning signals, there are no warning signals, sorry, there are no warning signals that there is a potential that from this side a vehicle could come. Okay, because whenever there is some kind of a junction, there is a mandatory thing that there should be a signal, guys. If there is no signal, at least they should keep some stop signs or any kind of signs, because the vehicles will at least slow down, right? Yes. And rarely, if sometimes that there might be some accidents, but it will be a bit rare, right? Yes. Okay, so this is one type, guys. Again, the other type is nothing but left. Okay, I think it is a left only. Okay, so car end collision at unsignalized. Okay, yes. So even sometimes cars could also collide, right? So I think just give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Okay, so basically sometimes cars could also collide each other, right? Yes. So if they collide at each other end or face to face, so that time we will be calling them as a car end collisions at unsignalized intersection. So basically here there is no signal. Okay, so this might be caused due to the drivers not aware. So basically they did not observe each other. Similarly, slippery surfaces. Okay, and there are large number of vehicles, inadequate road lighting, similarly speed approach and lack of adequate graphs and crossing pedestrians. Okay, yes. So in simple words you can say end on end is nothing but one back other, guys. So basically this guy is going at some speed and suddenly he slowed down, but the second guy did not slow down and he hit at the back. So this is nothing but end collision, guys. Okay, okay. And the next type is nothing but rear end collision at signalized intersection. So basically in some situations we will be having some signals also, right? So I think this is also rear only, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So here there is a signal, even then it occurred. So basically that could be due to the slippery surfaces, or it could be due to the large number of vehicles, poor visibility, inadequate signal timing. Okay, and these are some causes. Similarly, pedestrians vehicles. So basically when some pedestrians when some vehicle hits pedestrians. Okay, so this could be due to the, okay, so this could be in commonly seen in school areas. So basically like in school areas they'll be keeping school zones also, but few vehicles will be going there, right? Yes, so in that situation there could be a chance. Similarly, inadequate signals, so there are no proper signals. Okay, yes. Okay, so these are some causes, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about these causes, right? Yes. So I mean the different types of crashes. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So please try to remember the names, guys. So because if you remember these names, you can just directly write the what are the causes or what made it happen, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about the scientific investigation and data collection, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.